Hello, this is Mochipoo, and today we are playing a Minecraft series. And I got my diamond pickaxe on Fortune 3 in, I think it's, what was it? I think it was in, in the desert. I forgot what they're called. Oh, why? Excuse me. Get off. Why is there, what the heck? Why did that happen? Huh. Okay, moving on. Yeah, I got Fortune 3 in a temple, I think, yeah. And guess what? I'm so excited because I got full diamond armor. I'll show you later. And look what I got. I got more diamonds. Yeah, but I have Fortune 3, so I think maybe you can get, can you get, more diamonds? I think you can. I am not dying just from stupid lava. Okay, let's see. Please work. How many diamonds is that? 2! Okay, it does work. Let's go, bro. Okay, so I found 5 diamonds, I know. And I got 8 from that. 5 diamonds out of 8. That's actually not too bad, bro. Okay, yeah. So let's go home now. Oh, by the way, when we're going out, let's make another portal, right? I'm not going to use the water and all that. Yeah, I don't know why. Okay, so let's mine it. 1 hour later. Oh no, it's so close. Okay. Okay, come on. Oh, the lava. Okay. You know what we're gonna do? Come on. Okay. What? Oh my gosh. Hello? Okay, whatever. Well, let's get some obsidian. Okay, well, I got 13 obsidian. I think that's right now. Let's get out of here. Well, yeah. This one might take long, so I will see you. Finally, I'm out. Okay. Well, let's keep going. I hope I'm not falling there. I was kind of looking for my horse. I couldn't find it. So I think we have to get a new one, but we'll do that in the next series. And do I have dogs? Yeah, I do have dogs. Look at these beautiful dogs. Fox. Hey, don't chase them. No. Bro, I'll hit you. I should not have did that. Okay, excuse me, boys. No, don't kill. Do you want me to kill you? Oh no, you just killed him. You just killed him. You just killed him. Oh, that was a bad idea. Go. I mean, actually, I know. Hey, bros, you wanna mess with me? Okay. Don't. Okay, well, that was done. Now let's go. Why did I do that? Okay. Comment down below what punish should I do, okay? But it's nothing dying, okay? Because if I die, I think I'm really 360. Oh, that was not 360, I think. Okay. Oh, sheep. What can I do with sheep? I'm just going to one-shot every sheep in that area. Boom. I already have a lot of dogs. Look, I have one here. Hello, do you want some food? Here we go. Okay. Well, let's see look how many dogs I have. Okay. This dog, are you happy? Yes, you are happy, everyone. Okay. Well, I have a lot of wool, right? Yeah, I do, kind of. Not really. No, that. Okay. Any more wool? I remember this bad boy. This one has knockback 2, fire aspect, and sharpness. Okay, that's a little too overpowered. Yeah, and that one is smite 1. No, that's smite, knockback, fire aspect. Okay, that one's pretty good. Now let's get some. Why did I do that wrong? Now let's get some carpet. Boom. Okay. So I think we're gonna do a farm today. Yes, a farm. But I have diamond armor, so like beautiful diamond armor. Yep. So yeah, we are going to make a farm. Every video we're gonna make the farm bigger. Yeah, bigger. Okay. Yeah, I really actually want fortune on this bad boy so I can like get some more wool or something. I don't think it works on that, but yeah. And why do I put this there? I don't really need that anymore. Okay, what's up? Hello, hello people. I don't want to, no, I'm not gonna, wait, I'm gonna make a farm. Actually, yeah, let's make, farm, yeah. I'm gonna, a farm that you're not gonna eat, like, wheat and all that. We're gonna do some, wait, what? Okay, yeah, we're gonna do some getting, sheeps or something, and then putting them in the pen or whatever. Okay, so let's do that. First, we need a leash, which I can't. I just had a leash, but it's gone. So yeah, I do not know where the leash is, but moving on. We are going to go and maybe, I'll just see them. Okay, well, I got all the materials. Now let's do it. Okay, I found these. I don't really know what they're called. Well, we are gonna. I think if you're stuck in lava, just eat this boom and you'll get out. And I hope that works, because if it doesn't, I think I might die. But I'm gonna get a water bucket. Okay, because I don't want to lose all my diamond armor. Because like who would want to lose their diamond armor? Not me, because like diamond's super rare, and I don't want to. One day I want to get netherite, but in order to do that, we have to go to the nether. If we want to do that, let's make this a tiny bit littler, because I don't want the biggest like pen ever. We're going to do it pretty small, and we're going to do it bigger very soon. Okay. Okay. So don't mind how skinny this is. Okay. Yeah, let's just get that right there. Okay. Boom, laka shock. We're actually gonna do like that, and then we're gonna do this. No, this. And then we're gonna do this. Boom. That's it. Yeah. Okay. Now, let's go. Oh, I forgot how to get out. Okay. You know what? We're not gonna use any of. Let me use some blocks. Why do I have 64 glass? Why do I have 6? Never mind. Okay. 64. I don't know where I got that from. But okay. Wait, I should just like put that right there. Wait, so what just happened? I do not know. Okay, well, we are going to get some ladders, no matter what. Let's see if we can get some sticks right here. Boom. Where? We don't have any. Okay, you know what? Then we'll do that second. This might take a second. Okay, well, I got the stuff. Now let's do this. Finally, we can do this. No, sorry, that someone might escape. I'm not gonna allow that. Okay. Boom, boom, and now we're gonna take that. And then, I think, I'll just do this pretty little. And we'll do the other side like this. And boom. Okay, that's not too bad. Now let's get some animals to trap. And I'll bring my doggy. I'm not going to bring my doggy. Because if I hit one of them, I don't know what will I do, because then the dog I mean, I would just like one-shot it before the dog hits it. So yeah. So let's find some sheep. Cows, sheep, anything. I thought I'd do a chicken farm. The first animal I see, I'm gonna do it. So yeah, let's do a chicken farm because I see a chicken. It's actually gonna be kind of hard to find. Oh, where's the chicken? I just saw. Wait, the sheep. I want sheep. Yeah. Okay, sheep. What? There we go. Come on, let's go, bro. Okay, let's go. What the heck? Did he just run away or something? Oh, he fell in there. Oh. Okay, come on, let's go. Excuse me. Come on. Let's kind of come. Yeah, good. There we go. Oh, I found another sheep. Okay. You coming? Now we're gonna go in here. I'm gonna tie you right here. We'll unleash it. Thank you. Wait, where's the other leash? Oh my gosh, where is it? I think it's somewhere. It's somewhere at least. Where is it? Leash. There it is. There it is. There we go. Because I'm not going to get 3 leashes and just like leave it, okay? So yeah, let's go. Oh, there's another sheep. Let's go, bro. This farm is going good. Hello. If we get 100 sheep, yeah. You know what, let's every day, let's put in 5 sheep. Or no, you're not going out. Boom. Both of you. Okay, now you're gonna boom, pick those up, and then before you go out, done. Okay, now we have to make them breed, but, oh, they do like it. Okay, wheat, they do like, okay. Well, in order, if we want to, we have to make a farm. So, yeah, I hope we can get seeds or something. Do we have any seeds? No, okay, you know what, that's alright. Because it's easy to get seeds. Okay. Let's go. Okay, you know what? Let's just get a seed and I'm gonna end the video, okay? Because I did, more than I used to do, okay? Well, see you on the next video, and remember to like the video and subscribe. See you on the next video.